My boss gave me a workbook and instructed to format all sheets. There are multiple sheets, and doing formatting on each sheet takes time. Due to limited time, we need to use short trick. What we can do to format all these in seconds. So, before start, we need to make sure all sheets are in same order. Raw sheet also given in description for your practice. After confirmation of same order, we need to select whole sheets. You can either select first sheet and hold Shift button. Click on last sheet will select all sheets. After selecting all sheets, we only need to work on single sheet. Again, select all and start working on single sheet. First, we need to insert column. You can press Ctrl and plus button, or insert column by mouse button as well. Now, we need to insert row. Now we need to select whole data and make center alignment. Now, we need to make currency formatting. We can use Format Cells option to make currency formatting. Now, click on Currency. Now, we again need to select whole table heading row. You can color header as per your desire. You can also color font as well to create better color combination. Now, we need to select whole table. You can either make simple border, but to make it more attractive, you can make customized border boxes. Simply select the whole data. Click on Border tab. Customize border lines as per your desired formatting. For simplicity, we have used the horizontal lines only. One last step, we need to remove grid lines. Simply go on Page Layout tab. Uncheck View option. Now, we have formatted our whole sheet. And you can check our all sheets have been formatted. We don't need to go on each individual sheet to make it formatted. Only need to make sure all our sheets are formatted in order. This is how we have completed this formatting.